Installing subscribers on the Ghost website platform. Hi all, this is Albert, and for this video let me show you how to install subscribers on your website that is running on the Ghost website platform. Navigate to your subscribers dashboard under Settings. Then hit Install. And scroll down under Manual Installation to find the Download Service Worker file button. Just click on it and save the file to your local computer. Next, in your Ghost dashboard, go to Settings, then Design, then Change Theme, then click Advanced, then download the active theme. Next, you will copy the service worker file on your computer, then open the theme folder and paste the service worker file under Assets, then JS folder. Once added, zip the theme content for uploading to Ghost. You'll then upload the theme to Ghost using the Upload Theme option. Next, in the Ghost platform, navigate under Design, then change Theme, and then click Upload Theme. And then upload your theme. Finally, hit Activate. The next step is you'll navigate back in your subscribers dashboard under Settings, then Install. Scroll down under Manual Installation and copy the installation script. Next is you will navigate back in your Ghost dashboard under Settings, Code Injection, and paste the subscribers installation code under Site Header. Then hit Save. And that's it, you have installed subscribers on your Ghost website. Sign up now to subscribers.com and keep your site visitors coming back with smarter web push notifications with subscribers. Thank you for watching.